Today, whose hand sketches the future? What future are we shaping? Is it an automated future, made of bits of zeros and ones? Where mankind takes pride in surrendering? Its gestures, its breath, its poetry, declared obsolete before the hubris of efficiency? Do we really have to relinquish our intelligence to the artificial? Or can we see in our hands a warming promise? In the wood it caresses, in the leather it pulls, in the metal it bends, the hand breathes its soul into matter. It gives intent, direction, the story within each creation, within each variation. So then, today, whose hand is drawing the future? It will be the one that listens to the material, the one that creates with patience, with a passion that machines, on their own, shall never know. We will forever cherish handmade craft, for it carries the promise of a future that does more than simply produce. It carries the promise of a future where humanity can leave its imprint.